So to fix not opening problem on NBA 2K, or how to fix, or in this video we're going to learn how to fix NBA 2K not opening problem. So if your NBA 2K is not opening, what you have to do first is to go to your phone menu and try to tap on your Google Play Store and make sure you check for the update over here when it gets here. So you have to check whether it has been updated or not. So when you check and they've written updates in where the play is, then you have to tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to reinstall and you are going to get the latest update of NBA 2K mobile basketball game. So after updating it, what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for your NBA. So when you find the NBA app, use your finger to tap on it for some while. Now what you have to do is to tap on the app info. So when you tap on the app info, tap on the first stop, tap on OK, like this. Then after that, tap on notifications and make sure this is turned on, which is the show notifications. So after that, go back and tap on storage and cache, and then you can tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. After doing this, go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data restrictions. It depends on the device you're using. So you have to turn on the background data over here. Make sure this is turned on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. Then after that, you have to tap on let's scroll and try to where is it? So more network. Then after that, you tap on airplane mode, then you turn it on. Then after doing this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while. Now tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.